Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use one of my special rulers to draw the stool. First thing we're going to do is put our name and the scale in the upper right hand corner. Draw a small box at the top using a straight edge, but the size doesn't matter. Write your name, class period, and write your title and your scale, which in this case is a 1/3 scale, and also I think that's it. That's it. Okay. Now we're going to draw a dotted line down the middle using your straight edge. This is your center line from which you're going to make all of your measurements, because this is a tapered object that we're drawing. Then find 2 feet on your ruler and mark the top and bottom of your stool with a small tick mark. The top of the stool is 1 foot across. This is scaled to 1 foot on this ruler. We're going to mark at 6 inches. 6 inches right here, and we're going to draw from 1 to 0. The bottom of the stool is 16 inches, so we're going to go to your lower tick mark and go to 8 inches. And up to 1 foot 4 inches to get the bottom of the stool. Now we're going to dimension these 2 things. So this is not part of your stool. This is an extension line, which is a dotted line coming down from your real drawing. And then we're going to draw a solid dimension line, again not part of your stool, with arrows at either end that end exactly at your dotted line. And we're going to say 1 foot 4 inches right here, which is 8 inches on each side. And then at the top, we're going to go up, 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 up. Your dimensions should be placed about 3/4 of an inch to 1 1/4 inches away, but it doesn't exactly matter. It matters that they look nice. And this is going to be 1 foot. And then we're going to connect the outside edges of the stool from there to there, and from here to here. Next, we're going to create the feet of the stool, which land on the floor at a 1 inch silhouette. 1 inch here and 1 inch here. And then we can dimension these as well. When you're dimensioning items that are small, you do not write your dimension in that tiny constricted area. You draw a dimensioning line out, put the arrows in the correct spot, and write on the extended line 1 inch. And I actually don't need to do the other one because that's redundant because it's a symmetric object. Then we're going to go down 3 inches. 1, 2, 3, to mark the apron of the stool. And we're going to draw this line. But we don't really know where those lines end yet, but we do know that they are 3 inches down from the top, like so. And then we want to come in 3 inches as well for the thickness of the leg at the top. And we'll make sure our line ends at 3. And over here, make sure that this line ends at 3. I was actually pretty close before, so that's about where it goes. And then we'll dimension these up. And this is a little tight here, but that's fine. 3 inches, and that one's also 3 inches, and then we're going to connect to these points. Okay, Next, we're going to add the crossbar. Crossbar is 7 inches up. And it is 1 inch thick. I might have said 3/4. It's about either of those is okay. And then we're going to go draw this across and draw this across parallel. And we'll do a dotted line out. And also a dotted line out here. And we'll say this one is 1 inch, and this one is 7 inches. And that's it. You can always come borrow a ruler for me, and you can complete this and take a picture of it and turn it in Synergy, or turn it in the turn-in folder.